marshmallows. Please come library. Talk about marshmallows. Do an unboxing. Hey, it's the Ego. Jag's not here today, so I'm doing an unboxing. Well, Jag's not here today. I'm the Ego, and I'm doing an unboxing. Let's see what I have. Oh, sweet! Akaso V50 Pro Special Edition, Leave No Trace. So I needed a little cheat sheet like Jag does to tell you all about the features of the Akaso V50 Pro SE. So Akaso has partnered with the Leave No Trace charity to launch the Special Edition V50 Pro action camera. The V50 Pro SE levels up the 4K recording of the standard V50 Pro from 30 fps to 60 fps. I wonder what a fp is. It's supposed to be better. With the included dive shell, it's waterproof to 130 feet. The built-in dive mode compensates for lack of red light underwater. It has a 6-axis gyro image stabilization, which reduces camera shake up to 4K 30 fps. There's a built-in 2-inch IPS screen. It records video in 4K 60 fps, 4K 30 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, 1080p 120 fps, 1080p 60 fps, 720p 240 fps, and 20 MUP image. That's a lot of weird words and things to say. It has ultra-high frame rates to allow you to create artistic slow-motion videos up to 8 times slower than normal speed, so you can really get a good look at your UFOs when you're filming them. You can use an external microphone, but it's not included. It captures sound from all directions in crisp detail. It has an adjustable field of view, and it allows you to switch between super wide, wide, medium, and narrow views. Has distortion calibration to correct for lens distortion. With a range of up to 33 feet, the included remote control allows for convenient control when hiking, biking, skiing, or doing other activities. Has a built-in 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so it doesn't have that 5G, so you don't need to worry about the microchip thing. The V50 Pro SE can be remote controlled from your smartphone via Wi-Fi. You can also use your smartphone to download pictures and videos from the camera to share directly to social media. Other features include H.265 video codec, built-in filters, burst photos, time-lapse photos and video, slow motion and fast motion video, wind noise reduction, scene modes, white balance control, sound recording, micro HDMI and USB outputs. The Akaso V50 Pro SE bundle includes the Akaso V50 Pro SE action camera, 3 1100 milliamp hour batteries, a battery charger, waterproof case, remote control, bicycle mount, helmet mount, USB cable, lens cloth, and assorted mounting hardware. A portion of every special edition camera sale will go directly to support Leave No Trace in its mission of protecting the outdoors by teaching and inspiring people to enjoy it responsibly. Check out the Akaso V50 Pro SE bundle. I don't know how Jag memorizes that stuff. He's kind of like a genius. So let's unbox it. So it comes in a nice package, has the Leave No Trace logo, tells you all of the features I just read to you. We'll just check this out. I hope Jag doesn't come in, because he wouldn't let me do this. More stickums. Another stickums. Lots of stickums on here. Okay, cool looking camera. Let's look at all of the goodies first. So you get a travel case in the kit, mounting hardware, all kinds of mounting hardware, USB cable, there's one battery, all sorts of mounting hardware, wrist strap for the remote, a little wrench, really handy for all that mounting hardware, more mounting hardware, helmet mounts, all kinds of GoPro compatible mounts, sticky mounts, zip ties, bicycle mount, more random hardware. You can adapt these things to almost any mounting situation, so that's really good. What's that? Oh, I think that's a chest strap. Well, that's the helmet or chest strap. And there's the other two batteries. And a partial cover, I guess, for using in light rain. What else is in here? Instructions. Let's take the camera. It comes in a dive shell. You can go down to 130 feet with this when it's in the dive shell. And let's get the camera out. Liberate the camera. There we go. The Akaso V50 Pro SE. Check it out. Since we're here and Jag's not around, I hope he doesn't hear this, I'm going to tell you some more about marshmallows. I've been researching marshmallows and I found out all about how they were invented in Egypt. But I've found more information. I discovered this place called the Library. I wonder what kind of lies they bury there. Might have to investigate about that. So, from the Egyptians, then later in the 1800s in France, candy makers combined marshmallow sap with egg whites and sugar and whipped by hand to create the marshmallows we know today. So that upped the protein content, you know. Egg whites have lots of protein. So this starts to sort of explain the uses of it in the Black Helicopters program. But I'll have to investigate about that later too. I can't find... Why is it pronounced can't instead of can't? Anyway, marshmallows become so popular that candy makers developed the starch mogul system. Who would have thought there was that much money in it? Kind of explains why he looks like a marshmallow. Doctors used the sap combined with egg whites and sugar to sell as a medicine for sore throats and coughs. What are you doing? Nothing. You really don't have the intelligence of a wild peccary. Hey now, there could be young folk watching.